Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in daily time frame. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on the trading style of you and what it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, after the daily candle finished, because in the last video what I told you guys here, try to protect yourself. In the last video I told you is the time of taking some of the profit. Why? I'm going to tell you why in that video, so make sure to watch all the video. First things guys, we are in a very stronger level. That's the first thing. Second thing, we got very important news coming today. So you need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. That's why I told you, Monday candle, don't base your trading on it. Yes, we make very nice profit from here till up here, but now in that level, try to protect yourself. I show you thousands of ways how to protect yourself. And now here, look what we got here. That one now we need to focus it about it. That trend line we draw now from here and here in the daily. You need to be focused about that trend line now here, what is going to do in the coming hours. Everything is too clear, guys? You see me how I draw the trend line? Remember that I came to that last low here, that one and that one here, like that. And in the top you can even make something like that, like a triangle like that, and you waiting the break to happen here. But that one, it will not be just a line. If you want to make it over there like a triangle, you need to make it like that, to make it like a square, because that square it needs to have from down of that candle here, that one here, and the top of those candles here. So if the Bitcoin came and breaking both of the levels here, breaking that man, the 25k here, we are going to go to 30k. So people, they haven't entered with us from down here. If it's breaking up here, you can enter again. Remember that. If we're breaking here, you can enter again with us long. That's the first scenario. And by daily, you need to wait until the daily candle finishes for you to enter long. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And another thing, we got it here in the daily. Look at it. I show you that one thousands of times. That way I don't want to show it to you again, but it's okay to show it to you again today. I told you before, also we got here a very clear head and shoulder here. You remember it. Now that head and shoulder is become more clear. Look at it. You see it or no? But the neckline where it is, it's still here. We need to break here. If we haven't broken here, there is nothing yet confirmed. We haven't changed from a bear market to a bull market. You need to be careful about those things I'm telling you here. Now, let's go in to see the coming news for today, or picture to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The news which is coming today, as you see it, what we got here, we got very important news, guys. We got very important news. We got the CPI or inflation measurement or index, or name it whatever you want. You saw it or no? The previous one, it used to be 6.4. Over here, the forecast in investing is going to fall down to 6%. If it fall down to 6%, that's very good news. If the inflation of USA fall down to 6%, that's very good news. Remember that. Everything is too clear? So that's what you need to look in at. It's going to come at 12:30 GMT time. March it with your local time, no matter where you are. Everything is too clear? And what we got else here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here. What it's telling us here, look at it. The table is telling us today, the market or US market today, it's being flat. It doesn't move to nowhere here. Look at it. The Dow Jones is only 0.28%. The SP 500 is 0.15%. The Nasdaq, it moves slightly bigger, 0.45%, but everything is still looking flat because all stock investors is still waiting the data which is going to come tomorrow, because the data is going to tell them how the Fed is going to react, because all those news will be in hardened all the month. It doesn't mean nothing compared to the data which is came tomorrow. Because that human being, they can say whatever they want, but what doesn't lie is the data. If it came tomorrow 6%, is very, very, very good signal for you to start, they say, slowly by slowly. And another thing we got here is our friend, the one also we're looking at it every day, is the VIX. Today is too much of scarness as you see it. 26.52%. Too much of scarness as you see it. That's what me are telling you. Today it's coming very, very, very huge news for the people. They are still now buying Bitcoin from that level where I show you, or swing trading and those things. Try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Us here, we enter from down here. That's for the daily. Here in the 4 hours, where did we enter? People to be in with us. We enter because we used to have here a trend line like that. And we used to say we have here a wage like that. We're being waited to get broke either up here or to get broke down here. Where it's break here in Saturday. And I tell it to you, you can even just go back and watch our videos. You're going to find that signal when it's breaking here. I told you guys, enter long. The take profit for that one, where it needs to be, it needs to be here in that place. Did it bring it for you? Look at it. It's bring for you the take profit. Now what shall you do now? CPI, it's coming. Now either the Bitcoin is going to break for us that last high, which is here, that supply and demand zone here, and it's going to go to 30k, because if we break here, we are going to go to 30k. No one will stop it. Another scenario, we need to put another scenario, because it might from here to stay sideways till tomorrow time of news. Then after that it's going to fall down, a big falling down. Over here in the 4 hours, I don't think so it's going to give us here a price action indicating for us we need to enter short. Why? Because it just moved upward here, because till now we don't got any price action here in the 4 hours. It's telling us we need to enter short. The only thing now here, we just got here a very stronger supply and demand zone, but you try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, people, they remember that when we be in here at extreme oversold area, I've been telling you me I'm buying. Look where we are now. In the last video, what me I told you when we are going to touch here, that white one here, the divergence trend line here, try to protect yourself. I've been telling you that when we are here. I told you when it touching here, try to protect yourself. Why I tell you that? Because let me show you why. You see that divergence trend line, that one here, how we bring it. We came here, we touch it, and we touch the overbought area. Try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Try to protect yourself. You don't know how it's going to keep the data from the CPI, so try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you. Yes, us now here, we are in the control of the bulls. There is no bears now in the market, but try to protect yourself. If it's breaking down here, maybe you're going to see a big drop happening. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We be in here at the oversold area. People, they been with me for some time. They remember me, one stop of me, it's being hit here. Then me enter a short tail down here. I make very, very, very nice profit from that one. Then I enter a long from here till up here. Now I'm protecting myself, me. But you, now look with me. Our indicator is being here at the oversold area. It's touching now the overbought area. Level, you are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. Told you try to protect yourself. Yes, my friend. 100% you need to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you now. Because look at that. That one here and that one here. Try to protect yourself. Enter short. There is no entry short now. There is no price action. Always, if the coming hours came and give us here a price action. Me, I don't tell you it's going to fall down. Maybe from here it's going to go more higher than that. But you protect yourself. I don't tell you to close everything. You close a little bit and you move stop loss either here or either here, for you to be in the safe side, my friend. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Remember that. Some people they said, why me? I'm showing you the old entries. I'm showing you that for you to learn, to know how else we enter. Why else we enter. The first entry we enter it from here. People they been with me, they remember that we used to have here a diamond. Here, exactly here. We used to have here a diamond. I think in Friday or Saturday. It's getting blocked here. Me I enter first here. That's the first entry of me. Second entry, the one in Sunday at 6 o'clock GMT time. I told you like that. I told you we got here a neckline here. Either it's going to break up or it's going to break down. It's break up, look, where it go. Another signal I give it to you here. I told you we got here a downtrend like that. And I told you if it's getting broke, enter long. It gets broke. Look at that. Where you are now. Now at that level here. Should we enter long? Should we enter short? Over here, the Bitcoin he tried to give you here like a small peanut. Here. Should you base the trade about that one? No, my friend. It needs to make more waves like that. Not only one wave, also we're going to make at it the trade. Over here, we got that trend line here. I show it to you in the last video, but it's okay to repeat it because that one you need to base your trade on it in the future. Here's how I draw it from here and here. Now you waiting the break either to happen down here for you to enter short. For the long is very simple. You just need to come to break here that peanut here. Everything is too clear, guys. Here it's our indicator. What it's saying? Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend. We got here two levels. We got that level here and that level here. Look at it. So if the Bitcoin came and breaking the first level here, it's going to go to the second level here. So if you enter from when the break happening here, take profit of you, it needs to be down here. For the long, it's very simple. It needs to give us here like a flag. Now it's giving us like a peanut, but not clear, not very clear. Look the flag here, how it's being here. You see it or no? Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.